Okay, we know that Halloween isn't until a week Thursday. But Denise Wild, this is, I know, but this is a big weekend because this is the weekend a lot of things will be happening.
Decorating, we're having people over. Yes, you're going to craft with your kids.
You made this.
Yes.
This is fantastic. Okay, what's the first thing we need, Denise?
Okay, so let's start off with a little bit of costume.
Okay.
And you don't have to go head to toe. Maybe you're not going head to toe. You know, maybe, maybe it's not your thing to be full out. But you can add a nice accessory and, you know, maybe you add that to something in your closet.
It says Barbie.
Exactly. I think you've got the Kenergy. The Kenergy is strong.
All right.
I love it.
Here we go.
So, you know, you can dress that up, you know, something that you already own, maybe last year's costume, just adding an accessory can really do a lot. Maybe it's for your Zoom meeting or whatever you want. These are from Party City and they have amazing assortment of accessories. And then, of course, costumes for the whole family.
Awesome.
So whatever you want.
Like, what do you do with this one here?
Well, this one swaps out the eyes and swaps out the lips. So you can put whatever you want inside and dress up your face, but it is a mask.
Oh, you wear it?
Yeah, you wear it. I mean, if you want to. Okay.
Oh, I see.
Okay, I love this. You're always, can you craft with that on? That's the question. Okay, so next up, after you have your accessory, let's do some crafts with the kids. And what we've got here is a little moving spider. You're going to make a bat. Wait, this is backwards. I don't know if you should be wearing that mask the whole time. This could be a bit of a disaster. Okay, so
it always is. I'll put this on.
I'm going to have you dress up the bat.
So but you made all of this, right?
So this is a little bit of a contraption that you're going to do. Now you want, and I'm going to post this video on Instagram in case anybody misses it, but what you want are two holes in the back. Sorry.
Right. Just hold it there for the camera? Yeah.
Yes. Because one set of holes is holding the arms to the front, and the second set of holes is holding this loop. And it's just a big string loop that then goes through a straw. So when you pull it, it kind of has this axis. Okay, so you're going to put a face on this bat while I talk about the next step. It seems
a little difficult, but it's not that difficult.
It's not that difficult. It takes a little bit of time, but you dress up the bat while I talk about dressing up the house. Because, you know, again, you don't have to go all out. Just a few accessories can really dress up your space, get you ready for the season. And, you know, I've got some spooky books here. Just
You're just putting this on the front porch? Where do you generally put it?
You can put this inside, you can put it outside, wherever you look at this. How great is this? And just adding little accessories can dress up a corner of your home, maybe a little table if you're having people over, or your exterior, of course. And these are, again, from Party City. Basically, one-stop shop for everything Halloween. Decorations for indoor and out, and you can shop online or in-store. If you're going online, partycity.ca.
What does your place look like?
I've got lots of stuff outside, and then I did do a little vignette inside this year too. You know, I like to add every year. That's the key, right? If you just keep adding, you just have to find storage for everything.
Okay, we got 90 seconds. I'm putting this together.
So while you're working on this person, this bat, well, let's work on a little fun cocktail, mocktail for the kids. So this is just juice, and then I've made eyeballs out of lychee and blueberry. So these are blueberries inside the lychees. Can I move this around so you can see? Yes, and then they create eyeballs. So you're going to take a lychee.
Okay. Where do you get lychees?
I know. You can find them at the grocery store. Okay. Asian aisle.
And then you just stick the blueberry in there?
Plop the blueberry inside, pop it into your drink. Okay. And this is fun. You know, if you want, you could do a crantini for the adults, but this is just juice. So kids will have fun eating it, they'll have fun making it, and that's really what Halloween is all about.
They're all they're kind of slimy. They kind of do feel like eyeballs.
They might feel like eyeballs. They're going to taste extra delicious. Let's see, can I spin this one around so you can see it?
Let me drop it in.
Okay, go. Boop. Oh, there we go. Yeah, nice little spooky drink. You've got your fun craft, and let's see how that bat turned out.
Hey, how do you do there we go.
I love it.
The glue is kind of hanging all over the place.
I know. Well,
how do you deal with that?
We used hot glue for this just because it's fast and easy to dry on camera. But you know, at home you can use good old white glue.
Nice.
Look at that. That's good.
My smile needs a little bit of work.
I love that smile.
Yeah, man.
He's happy. He's a happy bat.
Instagram page for the details on this.
It's
Where can we follow
at me, Denise Wild.
Yay.
Yeah.
Uh-oh, we lost a wing.
Oh, no.
We lost Yes,
Okay, this guy.
Okay, that guy.
He's gonna come help.
We'll hook it up with our website, cach.com/morninglive. You're the bestest. I'll put this one back on.
I know. Get this guy back on.
More morning
I'll
live
wear
coming up.
these.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Okay, we'll be back right after this.
Everything is awesome.
Yeah.